Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accolade. 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 Accolade is a noun that refers to an expression of praise, approval, or honor. It is often used to describe recognition or appreciation for a person's achievements, contributions, or talents. Here are some examples. Example number 1, winning the Nobel Prize was the highest accolade in her career, recognizing her groundbreaking research. Why accolade is used in example number 1? Accolade is used to highlight the Nobel Prize as the most prestigious form of recognition for her significant research achievements. Example number 2, being named the team captain was a well-deserved accolade for his leadership on and off the field. Why accolade is used in example number 2? Accolade signifies the recognition of his leadership qualities by making him the team captain. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.